My name is Anna Roche. I'm a chef of Hiša Franko. We work here following the rhythm of the nature, of the seasons, of the moon, of the rain and sun. We get a lot of amazing products from this area. Some are really typical for this area and you cannot find it anywhere else. We take local products, even the most traditional original ones, and then through our mindset we actually transform them into something really unique. This is an amazing roebuck which comes from Slovenian forest. It's actually a roebuck that is caught very close to Hiša Franko. And it's a wild one, so this is not a farmed animal. And it's served with a sauce that has never seen a meat. So it's actually a fermentation of the beeswax and bee pollen with the base of root vegetables. That is a kind of a uniqueness in this life, which is pretty globalized, which I think is really important. Hey, maintain your character, be unique, be different, and have guts to express yourself. The kitchen in Hiša Franko is somehow always a surprise. I never dreamt to be a chef. I studied international science and diplomacy. I speak 6 languages. When I told my parents that I fell in love with someone who has a restaurant, my mother almost had a heart attack, and I remember we went to the river and she was like, "You're not gonna be starting cooking, right?" And I was like, "No, Mom, because I don't know how to cook."
I'm Walter Kramer. I'm owner of Hiša Franko. I have responsibility to be sommelier. We work mostly with the Slovenian selection of wine and mostly the natural one. I have to find the wine for Anna's dish. We have to go to check around and to find the producer and to find the right wine for that dish.
We already 15 years ago, or maybe 16, started a process that is still alive now, and that was building up a chain of many faces, many producers, many farmers, to jump on the train that is called Hiša Franko and to build up a story together.
My name is Miha. I work for Anna Roche. I'm her local forager. I think that Anna Roche supports the locals, also me, because her philosophy is that what we can find 10 or 15 kilometers above her house. I must respect rules. As a forager, I can just take maybe 20-30% of the same plants of mushrooms on the place. Otherwise, maybe in 5 or 10 years, there will be nothing.
Today, Miha is one of our most important foragers, but he's not the only one. We have someone who is just collecting berries, then we have people with gardens, and our last arrivals, our last babies in the story is Jean and Matteo. You know, we are testing all the pumpkins that you brought me today. Malabar spinach.
Yeah, it's an Indian spinach.
This is why the gypsies' dresses are for. You don't need a lot more in the restaurant. The way they farm is the way I see the future of the Soča Valley. Small farms, completely biodynamic, not even watering the plants. If you lose your harvest, you go in the corner, you cry, but next year it's gonna be better. It's little, not globalized, but local, sustainable stories that are gonna save the planet from a pure disaster. If Hiša Franko was a person, she would be a girl. A very curious girl, a girl who likes colors, and a girl who is super picturesque, and she really likes happy people. I think that is Hiša Franko and that is me on the same time.